Now, weight loss is important, of course, but weight maintenance is even more important. So it's well established that Spatz is the most effective FDA-approved balloon in the United States. It had the highest weight loss and the highest success rates among the 5 balloons approved by the FDA. There are also studies that have shown better weight maintenance with the Spatz balloon. In a European study, even 2 years after Spatz balloon removal, there was better weight maintenance compared with non-adjustable balloons. And in the US clinical trials, there was also better weight maintenance with the Spatz balloon patients. Why? Well, Spatz is the only adjustable balloon, and it also has longer than 6-month implantation time. That adds up to better weight maintenance through behavior modification, the tools that you will use after balloon removal. Successful Spatz patients use their balloon and pay attention to balloon signals and act on them. We will talk more about behavior modification in the next set of videos. I hope this was helpful. Wishing you the best of luck.